Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the time zone for your team meetings and events on Calendly in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your account on Calendly, click into scheduling or meetings here to get a better overview of all of your upcoming team meetings and events and scheduled events here under event types, and you will see, for example, the scheduled date here in AM PM for the given time format, but these will align with the time zone you selected for your account. So if you'd like to change that, you will need to access your profile settings here in the top right corner, click into the drop-down menu, select profile, and here in your profile settings, navigate to the time zone at the bottom. And as you can see, the one for my account is Eastern Time, US and Canada, which doesn't align with my current location settings. So I would like to change the time zone here to Central European Standard Time. So let me find it: Africa, Asia, Australia, and then we got, anyways guys, so there we go, Europe. So take the one you would like to use, in this case here, Central European Time, which is 6:49 in the morning, AM in the morning. Confirm by clicking to save changes here, and that is going to affect also the scheduling on your main page here if you refresh it with these dates here, so with the times. And so that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.